Good morning, candidates. IDBI Bank shares slip over 4% as government cancels bid to appoint divestment asset valuer. IDBI Bank shares fell over 4% to the day's low of 59.50 on the National Stock Exchange on Wednesday after the government cancelled the bid invitation process to appoint an asset valuer for the lender's divestment. This is as on November 22. The center will call for a fresh request for proposal. Center will call for a fresh request for proposal for appointing asset valuer. This cancellation comes after the government extended RFP request for proposal 4 times. This January, government received multiple preliminary bids for the strategic sale. In this strategic divestment initiative, the asset valuer would be responsible for conducting a thorough valuation of multiple facets of IDBI Bank. This entails determining the fair value of the bank's investments, loans, and advances with the aim of presenting a comprehensive overview of financial portfolio. The valuation process would include a scrutiny of IDBI Bank's deposits, borrowings, and other liabilities to attain a comprehensive insight into financial position of the institution. Through the appointment of an asset valuer to evaluate the bank's financial well-being, government seeks to promote transparency and fairness in the valuation of proceedings. Last week, DIPAM Secretary Tugin Kanta Pandey said the IDBI Bank strategic sale transaction was on course, but the transaction would not be completed in the current financial year. The government is looking to offload 30.48% stake in IDBI Bank, while the Life Insurance Corporation of India will sell 30.24% shareholding. Presently, the Indian government and LIC collectively own about 95% of IDBI Bank. The IDBI Bank shares have given returns of over 22% in the past 12 months, while its year-to-date gains have been around 10%, which is higher than the returns given by Nifty during both time frames. The stock is currently trading above its 200-day simple moving average, while below its 50 days simple moving average, according to trend line data. Thank you. This is useful for people appearing for IDBI interviews. Just know about this. You don't have to tell about this of your own accord. If they ask some details about this in the interview, then you can tell. Otherwise, don't tell this negative point.